Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? Very fine. Well, this is Sayyid Samuel Haq and you're watching my channel, Sami IELTS. Dear students, today I'm going to talk about writing section, and this video is going to be, inshallah, a very detailed video all about writing task 1. For task 2, yes, I'm going to record another video, inshallah. Anyway, so let's get started now. Guys, writing section, we have two questions. Try to understand, we have two main papers, right? One is called task 1 and the other is called task 2. Now, task 1, if you're appearing in IELTS academic, so task 1, you will deal normally report writing, which is also called dependent writing. So why is it called dependent writing? Because you're 100% dependent on the diagram given. They give you a diagram and you're always dependent on the diagram. Whatever that is, you have to report that diagram, right? So remember, students, 3 different names are there for this question. Task 1, it's also called report writing, and it's also called dependent writing. Now, dependent writing means you're dependent on the diagram. Report writing means you're going to report a diagram. So, many IELTS examiners, or even many IELTS teachers or many IELTS instructors, they call it dependent writing and writing task 1. And so what do we have in this task? Normally 6 to 7 possibilities are there. Remember, students, sometimes you receive a table and you're going to report a table. Sometimes they give you line graph, or it's also called a line chart, or sometimes they give you bar graph or a bar chart. And there is another possibility. Sometimes you receive a pie chart as well. Pie chart, maybe sometimes they give you 1 pie chart, or 2 or 3, or maximum 6 pie charts can also be there. The same story for table. If they give you 1 table, or maybe they might give you 2 or 3 or even 6 tables. And the same from even if you think about bar graph and line graph, the same story, 1, 2, 3, maximum 6 line graphs or maximum 6 bar graphs. Sometimes they give you map, and maps, yes, sometimes 1, 2 or 3. So maximum 3 maps can be given to you, and you have to report all 3 maps. If I talk about process writing, so in process writing, they sometimes give you the process of constructing something. For example, they give you the process of black tea, and how black tea is properly produced. Sometimes they give you the process of green tea, sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, and yes, even I've seen honey. They give you the process and the structure of how this honey is prepared from stage 1 till last stage. So this is what process writing. And last, sometimes they give you mixture. So mixture means they give you a table and line graph, or sometimes they give you pie chart with the table, or they give you bar graph with line graph. So, but one thing you must remember, that they don't give the mixture of map with the line graph. They normally associate pie chart with table, pie chart with line graph, pie chart with bar graph. So overall, if I give you a quick recap in IELTS writing section, we have 2 questions: writing task 1, writing task 2. In task 1, we have report writing. You're going to report something. What are you going to report? You're going to report a diagram, and diagram, there are 7 possibilities. First possibility, table. Second possibility, line graph. Third is bar graph. Fourth is pie chart. Fifth is map. And sixth is process. And 7th is mixture. So they give you mixed diagrams, and then you're going to report those things. Now, if I go in more in detail, how many words are they going to write? 150 words, the minimum, the borderline. Actually, this is also very important. Many students are thinking, sir, is it very much that I must touch 150 words? It's not very important. Even your report can be of 140 words. There's no problem. Quality matters, quantity doesn't matter. If you're writing 160, 170, 180, okay, it's fine. But if you're writing less than 150, 140, 145, still you're fine, still you're safe zone. So don't think about these words. Now, banding system, in my previous video, I have discussed all in detail that in task 1, what 4 areas are marked. Again, let me repeat. In task 1, there are 4 areas, 4 criteria, and the first is TA, which is called task achievement. For this detail, for bands calculator, you can watch my previous video that I've recently uploaded. TA, task achievement or task accuracy. Second is cohesion and coherence, which is called CC, and then LR, lexical resource, and the last one is GRA, grammatical range and accuracy. These 4 areas in these 4 criteria, they are marked in IELTS Writing Task 1. So this is all about writing task 1. For task 2, I'm going to record another video that what do we have in task 2, how many types of essays are there, and last but not the least, if you're appearing in IELTS journal, guys, you're not going to face report writing, and this video is not going to work. For writing task 1, you have letter, and letter we have 3 types of letters: formal letter, semi-formal letter, and informal letter. So for that, inshallah, another video I'm going to record. See you guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Take very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.